Look at this. This is the view from my room, not the side, not a balcony. I'm literally at the front of the ship. And if you look up there, that's the bridge. I didn't even know this was a thing. You're so close to the window, too. I almost hit my head the first time I walked up there. It actually feels like I'm driving the ship, which is probably not a good sign. All right, let me show you the room. So this is the setup. It's a forward-facing ocean view on Utopia of the Seas. The beds are sideways next to the window, which is actually perfect because you can just lay there and look straight out. I definitely spent more time here than I should have. Yes, this became the spot. You've got all the basics: outlets, USBs, storage, fridge, bathroom solid. There's even a little night light in there, which you don't think about until 3 a.m. Luggage fits under the bed, closet's decent, and there's a blind that comes up to the ceiling, which actually makes the room almost completely dark. The control button is up on the angled ceiling. Took me a second to find it, but honestly, none of that is why you booked this room. This part is kind of wild. You're literally looking up at the bridge while the ship is moving forward. You don't really get this perspective anywhere else. Leaving Nassau, you can see another ship docked in front of us at the start as we backed up, turned, and then headed out, maneuvering out of the port. And going from day into night from this angle, that was a really cool transition to watch. Arriving in Port Canaveral before sunrise, wow. And then watching another ship come in and swing around right in front of us like that was wild. I don't think I can go back to a normal cabin after this. Would you book this, or is this a little too close to the front for you?